Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry angle tables. We'll start by focusing on the core angles, 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. These 5 angles form the foundation of the entire table. Understanding the sine, cosine, and tangent values for these specific angles is crucial. We'll explore simple patterns and relationships that make memorization much easier, helping you quickly recall these essential trigonometric values for various calculations and problems. A fantastic visual method for remembering sine and cosine values is the left-hand trick. Hold your left hand up, palm facing you. Assign your pinky to 0 degrees, ring finger to 30, middle finger to 45, index to 60, and thumb to 90 degrees. For sine, count the fingers below the chosen finger, take the square root, and divide by 2. For cosine, count fingers above, take the square root, and divide by 2. This simple technique provides a quick reference for these 5 crucial angles. Beyond the hand trick, recognizing patterns significantly aids memorization. For instance, the sine of 30 degrees is equal to the cosine of 60 degrees, and vice versa. This complementary relationship holds true for many angles. Remember that the tangent of any angle is simply its sine value divided by its cosine value. Also, notice how sine values for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees follow a pattern of square root 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all divided by 2. Consistent practice is the ultimate key to mastering the trigonometry angle table. Dedicate a few minutes each day to writing out the table from scratch without any aids. Then, apply these values by solving a variety of trigonometry problems, from basic calculations to more complex equations. Utilizing flashcards or engaging with online quizzes can also reinforce your memory and improve your recall speed. The more you use these values, the more ingrained they will become.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.